welcome back to the channel. So today we've got another beautiful tropical tour video. So today is a Brugmansia garden over in Leicestershire. So the two larger Brugmansias you'll see in the video, they are 2 years old, and the smaller ones are actually this year's cuttings, so really impressive. So they would have been 6 to 8 inches tall at the start of the coming season. So again, this tour video will be one of many which we'll upload on a Monday, so please be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So there we have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. The Brugmansia is my all-time favourite plant, but if you got something out of it, then please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. So until next time, I'll see you.